Hello there, Mr. Joseph Hanson. This is Gilbert Garcia, and I'll be reviewing your site today. For starters, I like the theme and everything of it. It looks really professional. A lot of little things that can you can probably work on up here. This is like the tabs up here are a little hard to see, but I actually kind of like how they highlight every time. And then this login button kind of is in the way. I feel like it should be maybe off to the side or something. Also, I don't see a logo anywhere. Maybe you should think about putting a logo somewhere. And just to be a little funny, why is this guy here by himself? I also wanted to tell you this. I found this a little while ago before I started recording, and these um, links here don't seem to do anything except for the about me. The about me seems to work just fine. Let's go back. But the forum and the film review don't work. These ones up here do, the blog, forum, these ones here, but these ones here don't. And then there's this little white rectangle that keeps popping up here. I thought maybe it was a link or something that I was missing, but maybe you should look into seeing if you can get that out of the way. Oh, that would be so cool. I was thinking you could put your name on here on the director tab. That'd be so amazing. See if your non-linear narrative works. Yeah, see all this works. And it works just fine. I might read that later. See if your links here work. Oh, even better. Yeah, I like how you got these all these little links to these everywhere if you want to see them. Well, if they ever want to go see your page, at least it makes it easier for them to find you. Oh, the contact us page. Compared to everything else, it seems a little bland, but I personally like it. I like this little. It looks like a sheet of paper where you actually would, put in your information. Let's see your members. Oh, dude, I don't have this. I'm assuming it works though, because it's asking me stuff. Here's your forum. Do I need to join to see all your stuff? You gotta let me know, man. Oh, other than a few points, man, I really like the site. It looks professional. Everything is its proper place. Obviously, we're all beginners, so we all got little things to take care of. But I like your site, man. Keep it up. This should be good in no time. And you have a good day, man. It's nice seeing your site for you, and you stay safe out there. Make sure to wear a mask. Have a good one.